A.
A.
What's the sound of X? X. A.
X.
A.
Banks.
No, there's no B. There's no B there. It's X. Connect it. That's easy. That's only 2 letters.
Bag.
No, don't say B. There's no B there. It's A. Say it. A.
A.
And X. 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 Say it again. Say it again. X. Why are you not saying it?
X.
X. Okay? Okay, this one. Faster, baby.
Cat.
Very good. Cat.
Bat. Bat.
No, there's no T there. You're right with the sound ba. You're right. But the last letter is G. Bat.
G.
Bag.
Bag.
Okay, because I gave you a hint. Okay, very good. Alright, what's this?
Mat.
Mm.
Mat.
The last letter is,
Mat.
the last letter is no, baby. The last letter is P. P sounds like P. Map.
Map.
Very good. That's better. Good job. How about this?
I just did that.
No. Say it again to me if you know it. Read it again.
Having
I want to make sure that you know it. What is this?
out of the heart.
No, those are hard ones. Later.